हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग। मेरा नाम है गौरव बजाज एंड वेलकम टू जीआरवी टीवी। तो गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, गणेश, जो कि अभी अभी कनाडा में लैंड हुए हैं सिर्फ इंडायरेक्ट रूट। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम इनसे इनका इंडायरेक्ट रूट के बारे में जानेंगे और प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि क्या क्या इन्हें कॉस्ट रही और कैसे यहाँ पे लैंड किए और क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स की जरूरत पड़ी। तो अभी इस वीडियो में हम इस इनके इंडायरेक्ट रूट को प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। तो चलिए सबसे पहले इनसे इनकी इंट्रोडक्शन सुनते हैं। हाँ तो गणेश, तो
Yeah,
हाउ हाउ आर यू गणेश?
yeah, fine, bro. What about you?
फाइन फाइन। एंड वन थिंग वो
Yeah,
यार, गणेश इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी बिकॉज मतलब
yeah,
इनको
yeah,
हिंदी नहीं आती तो
yeah,
ज़्यादा। तो विल कंटिन्यू इन इंग्लिश टुडे। सो
yeah,
या, तो गणेश, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू आवर व्यूअर्स।
yeah. My name is Ganesh, and I am from Hyderabad. So I came here just 15 days back. Like I landed on 28th of August in Canada.
Oh,
I am
that's
all this. Yeah,
why Maldives. Yeah, that's
yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah.
That's great. Okay, so yeah, so I'll be asking many questions so that our viewers can get a proper idea about your indirect route, and so that the doubts our viewers have will be cleared off. Okay,
Okay.
so let's start with the first question.
Yeah,
So Ganesh, what was your indirect route, and please explain your indirect route with all layovers.
yeah. So I am from Hyderabad. So my flight is from Hyderabad to Mumbai in the morning. Then Mumbai to Maldives. It was Indigo Airlines. And
Okay.
then there was stay of about 2 days in the Maldives. We got RT-PCR test in the Maldives, and then my flight was on 27th of August. Maldives to Istanbul, and Istanbul to London, and then London to Toronto. So there was about 3 hours of layover in the Istanbul, and in London we have 4 hours of layover.
Okay, okay, okay. So, my second question is, ये जो आपने route है, like, you booked from your agent or you booked yourself?
Yeah, I booked it from my agent. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, but why did you choose this specific route? Like, there are so many others route. Like, you can choose any, like Albania, Ethiopia, Serbia.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. I thought, but Serbia is we need to request 7 days quarantine,
yeah.
and I also thought about Mexico, but it is too cost. Like it is around 2.5 lakhs or something.
Oh,
So in Maldives also we can enjoy the view and all. So it will be like a trip, not like a journey. So I prefer
okay.
Maldives. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Like
yeah,
mini
yeah,
mini vacation सा हो गया,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah. Right, right.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Uh,
हाँ ठीक है. तो
uh,
how many days you stayed in Maldives?
like 2 days. I landed on 25th. Like around evening 5 o'clock in Maldives, and on 27th night was my flight at 10 o'clock.
Oh, okay, okay. So
Yeah, yeah,
you enjoyed there, yeah, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay,
If we go with friends, we can enjoy a lot. But I traveled single solely, so not that much.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So do you require any transit visa or something for your travel?
No, nothing. So actually, Maldives have honorable visa. So when we land in Maldives, they will give visa for like 90 days.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay. So I want to ask about your RT-PCR test. Okay, so this is the main reason we have to travel through intellect route,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
So
true.
yeah, how much RT-PCR test cost you in Maldives, and like for how many time, how much time you have to wait for the
Yeah.
results?
Okay. In my case, it was all included in the package. Like my package was 1.95 lakhs, so it
Oh,
was all included in the package. As soon as I landed in Maldives, the hotel staff came to the airport and they took to the hotel in the boat. And on the next day evening, they took the sample in the hotel itself.
oh,
So like they took around 5 o'clock in the evening on 26th. So my results was on 27th morning by 10 o'clock in the morning.
by how
By
much
like around
in the morning at what time?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay, okay.
Like
okay.
around 16 hours, like 16,
Okay.
17 hours.
16, 16, 17. Okay, okay.
Yeah, like,
So, okay, you didn't find it risky, like by like आप अगर positive आ जाते तो
yeah, I had fear, but because we already done test in the India, no, like the
oh
2 days back. Yeah,
yeah
it's not the
okay
problem. So,
okay तो around मतलब एक दिन लग जाता है right results
uh,
को
right.
okay Ganesh, you already told the cost of your travel, right? So
Right, right.
just tell me that how many days prior to your travel you plan your journey, and uh,
So my flight was on August 25. I booked it on August 10th, like 15 days prior to the travel date.
okay, 15 days
Okay.
prior.
In my case, it was 1.95 lakhs. So some of my friends got it in 1.6 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs also. So
Oh,
if you book early, we can get it the low cost also.
so yeah, your friends, those who got the package around 1.5 or 1.6 lakhs,
Yeah.
how many days prior they book the flights?
Like their flight was on September 8th. They booked it on August 15 or something. Like
Okay, so
like 20 days prior. Like
yeah, 20-25 days prior they book the flights. Okay,
yeah.
if you book 20 to 25 days prior,
Yeah, you will get
so
it the cheap price, right?
cheaper. Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
around 1.5 lakhs. Yeah,
yeah, like that.
so it will be much riskier to book 25 days prior, right?
Yeah. But
Yeah,
if you wanted the low price, we have to take the risk, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
that's the
yeah,
main thing. Yeah,
yeah.
because in today's time we don't have to take risk like yeah,
And also we don't know about the again any COVID restrictions or rules, right? In
yeah.
the 20
The
days,
rule,
anything can happen. Yeah,
yeah, the rules are changing
yeah,
frequently.
yeah,
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 okay. So yeah, 15 days prior is good. So
yeah.
you got your tickets and
Yeah,
full package in 1.95 lakhs. Okay.
yeah, everything, food and all included. Yeah,
Food also, yeah, that's
yeah,
great.
everything.
That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Okay. Did anyone traveling with you, or you have heard anyone has faced any issues or any problems traveling through this route?
Okay. So basically, I didn't face any problem, and none of us traveling with us faced any problem. So, but I had in the like at the starting stage when this Maldives route was open, I had that they are sending students back to India. They are not accepting like we can't go to Canada from Maldives. We have to go return back to India. So,
Yeah, I have heard. I have heard about
yeah.
it.
I
Yeah.
also had that. I had little fear, but there was no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everything was good and
Yeah, everything was good, nothing, no
okay,
problem. If you have all the documents correct, there will be no problem.
okay.
Yeah,
So, how was your experience in Maldives, and
yeah, well,
especially at Maldives airport?
yeah. In Maldives airport, we don't have Wi-Fi, so that is a big problem. So, and also the boat timings are like evening at the 4 o'clock and in the night 8 o'clock. So we reach Maldives around like 4:30 or 5, so we have to wait till 8 o'clock to boat
That
race. So yeah.
okay,
We waited for about 3.5 hours in the airport without Wi-Fi and the food. So that was a little bad experience.
okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, मतलब हमें टाइम देख के चलना चाहिए राइट कि हमें जो
Right.
फ्लाइट है टाइम देख के बुक करवाया है ना
Yeah. The boat was only at specific time. They was not regular. Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
so this was your bad experience regarding
Yeah.
Maldives.
In the airport. Yeah.
Okay so I also want to ask one more question. Which currency do they use in Maldives?
US dollars. Most of them use US dollars.
Okay,
Yeah.
USD. You
Everywhere.
carry
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
carry
I
USD.
carried around 200 US dollars, but I
Okay,
didn't use them. I have a credit card.
okay.
Yeah.
So you use your
Uh,
credit card.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so if someone having USD, that will be fine over there, right?
Yeah, absolutely. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. And did you find your travel Maldives cheap?
No,
No.
but value to the money. Like we can enjoy in the Maldives, we can see. So
Okay. Like, I have heard that in today's time, like everybody is traveling through via Albania and all other countries, like they are traveling and they are getting the cost around 2.95 lakhs, 2.8 lakhs, and you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
got the
yeah, true.
package at 1.95 lakhs.
Yeah,
So
it is okay compared to the other countries,
yeah,
but not cheap.
yeah,
It is better than other countries, right?
yeah, it is yeah, minimum than other countries,
Yeah,
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 in
right,
today's
right.
today's
Yeah, right,
time. Okay,
right,
okay.
right.
So and first of all, tell me about your documents that you carry.
I carried my like all the college documents like offer letter, enrollment letter, GIC, and fee receipts. And also I have took one set of like all the documents in the GCK like biometrics letter, passport request letters, and study permit letter. So I carried everything because we don't know what they lost. So for safe side, I carried all the documents. And in the Maldives, they just asked me about my offer letter,
Okay.
uh, and fee receipts and enrollment letter. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So when you landed in Maldives, I heard that we have to book a return ticket to India from Maldives. Is that true, or why do we need to have a return ticket when we have to travel to Canada? I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah,
Can you explain
yeah,
this?
yeah, definitely. So basically, in Maldives, they didn't ask you about the return ticket to India. But in
Okay,
India, when you're boarding flight to the Maldives, they'll ask you the return ticket to India. You have to show to them like, although you have the onward ticket to Canada, you have to show the return ticket to India because if in case you have any problem at the Maldives immigration and they didn't allow to
okay.
travel to Canada, so you will be able to travel back to India. No? So you have to have
Okay.
the return ticket.
So they were checking both tickets, like from a return ticket back to India and
Only return ticket is enough. They're not asking about any Canada ticket. Only return ticket. But in my case,
yeah.
like my hotel booking was up to 27 in the afternoon, right?
Okay.
So my return ticket to India was on 28th. So they asked me that the hotel was only up to 27th and my return ticket was on 28th. So they didn't allow me to board the flight.
Oh,
So because of my hotel booking was only up to 27th, no, but my return ticket was on 28th. So
okay.
at that time, I showed my onward ticket to Canada, which was on 27th night.
So okay,
So then they allowed me to.
they allow you to board. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
okay, okay. So ultimately, we can show any ticket, right? If we can show ticket from Maldives to Canada also, or
yeah,
return ticket also, right? Any ticket.
yeah. But it is safe side to book the return ticket also. If
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay. So you also booked
we
your
can
return ticket.
cancel as soon as we land in Maldives side. There's no
Oh,
problem. Yeah,
okay, okay, okay.
yeah.
So I want to ask one more question. So how was the experience with Canada immigration?
Yeah, Canada immigration was very smooth and easy. We have to wait in a long line queue. There was a huge queue, like it took me around 4 hours for the immigration process. But the officers was very nice. They just asked me about like my college name, my course, and they asked me about like will I go to India after my education? So that's it. Like only basic questions. There's no
Okay.
problem. Yeah.
Did you recommend this route to our viewers?
Yeah, absolutely. Because if you go with your gang or your friends, you can enjoy in the
Okay.
Maldives. You didn't get the feeling like you're going to Canada by indirect route. You will forget all the fear and everything, and you will enjoy
Yeah.
tourists in the Maldives, right?
Okay. Okay. So
And I
it
will and will not get like this chance anytime in the future.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's the one thing. Yeah, we have
yeah,
to stay here and we have to
yeah,
struggle for around 3 to 4 years, and
yeah.
it
Right,
was
right.
it was like a mini
Like
vacation for
it will,
us.
yeah, it will be like a little vacation before coming to Canada. Like, yeah,
Okay, 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 Ganesh. Did you require to fill any form? Like I heard that you have to fill forms like in sep distinct locations.
yeah, true. So like different countries have different rules. No? Like, so I have filled total of 3 forms. When before boarding the flight to Maldives from India, I have to fill that health declaration form.
Okay.
So that was the one, and before leaving Maldives also we have to fill the health declaration form. So that was the departure form.
Okay.
So we have to.
Do they provide you the form with the form, or you have to fill online?
It was online. So
Online. Okay.
yeah, after submitting the form, we will get one QR code. So
Okay.
we have to show it the immigration. That's it. No need of any form or something. We can fill it in online.
Online. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
before
And
24 hours time.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And,
which was the third form?
yeah, it was a London passenger locator form.
Okay.
So everybody has to fill it, whether you leave the airport or not. With if you have if you have transit in London, whether it was like 1 hour, 2 hours, you have to fill the passenger locator form.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it was very easy. Like you can fill it in 2-3 minutes.
Okay. And that was also online, right?
Yeah, that was also online.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ganesh, are you willing to share your Instagram with the viewers? Like, if they have any problem, if they have any doubts,
Definitely.
they will contact
Yeah,
you, right?
yeah, no
Is
problem.
it okay? Okay,
Yeah,
sure. So okay, Ganesh, we'll see you again, and
yeah, okay.
all the best for your future.
Yeah,
And
yeah, thank you, thank you.
and thank you for being here with us
Yeah,
in this
thank you
video.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
हाँ तो गाइस, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो. हमारे साथ गणेश थे आज. तो इन्होंने मालदीव्स का रूट पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया. होप आपको जो भी डाउट्स थे क्लियर हो गए होंगे. तो तब तक के लिए अब मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ, एंड तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, एंड बाय बाय.